What's something people don't know about crypto regulation? Well, let's dive into today's wild updates. First up, the SEC has settled charges against MNGO markets operators. They raised over $70 million from unregistered MNGO tokens. Now they've agreed to pay $700K in penalties and destroy remaining tokens. Ouch. Next, Bedrock, a crypto restaking protocol, faced a $2 million heist. But instead of retaliation, they offered the hacker a job. Yep, a white hat role to help boost security. Talk about turning the tables. And finally, Tornado Cash developer Roman Storm is heading to trial. After losing a motion to dismiss, Storm will face charges on December 2nd. If convicted, he could serve up to 45 years in prison. Stay tuned, because in the crypto world, anything can happen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for your daily crypto updates. Catch you in the next one.